Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the layers ready. Import your footage overlays and ensure the animated layer is selected. Open the graph editor right away and switch to the property you want to control. Once done, add the first keyframes for position, scale, or rotation so the graph has values to edit. This gives the graph meaningful handles. Make sure the timeline is at the intended start frame because the graph edits will be relative to those initial keyframes. Now you refine movement by shaping curves. Zoom the graph to see detail, then select a segment and change its interpolation to Bezier or linear depending on needs. Drag the control handles to create smooth easing, paying attention to both X and Y axes because one affects timing and the other affects value change. Once you finish a rough shape, scrub playback and nudge handles to remove pops. Compare separated X and Y graphs if you need. Finish by previewing the animation at full speed and watching for jumps or overshoot. If you see jitter, bake or flatten the curve to convert complex easing into fixed keyframes. When motion overshoots, add an intermediate keyframe or shorten the handle length to dampen the effect. If problems persist, reset the curve segment and recreate it more gradually. Finally, export a short test clip to confirm the timing and smoothness. This quick check prevents rework later and confirms the graph did what you intended.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.